We have extended the publicly available meta-modeling tool M with a plugin that allows to query models for structural patterns. Now going to the pattern manager, we can create a new model query. For this example, we're going to create a query that looks for data which is transferred manually within a business process. We're going to use EPC to model the pattern, as our processes are also modeled with EPC. Using drag and drop, we can use a new object for our query. For this object, we are selecting that it is supposed to be an EPC function by checking the respective checkbox on the right. This is also reflected in the model. As this function receives some data, it should also contain the word receive within its caption. Similarly, we're going to create an EPC function where something is captured. Since we don't know what is between the two functions within the business process, we're going to connect them with an edge. This connection should be directed in a way to follow the control flow of the process. We are then configuring this edge to be a path of an unlimited length. This way, all kinds of objects can be between the two functions. Next, we are creating a document which is used in the first EPC function. As we don't know what kind of document this is going to be, it may have any title. We are doing the very same thing for the second EPC function. To make sure these two documents are the same, we're going to add a constraint. Herefore, each of the 4 objects gets a unique name. Now we can add the constraint in form of a global rule. Herefore, we press the Add Rule button, give the rule a name, and specify the rule. For this rule, we want the caption of both documents to be the same. Now the rule is displayed below the query and ensures that both documents equal. Lastly, we check our pattern for syntactical errors. Now that we have modeled our query, we can use it to analyze our models. Herefore, we hit the Analyze button and then select the model that we want our query to run on. Here, we are using the disposition process of a retailing company. For demonstration purposes, we're going to enter a visual delay. This allows us to watch the algorithm working. As you can see now, the model as well as the query open, and the algorithm tries to map the query to the pattern. The algorithm is an intelligent brute force algorithm that tries as few mappings as possible. The results shown in green are valid results, while the results shown in red are invalid. After the algorithm has finished, we can see that there is one result. Zooming into that result, we can see how the query has been mapped to the model. Of course, the live visualization is only an optional feature. We can also search many models at once. As you can see, this only takes a short moment. Thank you for watching this presentation of our Advanced Model Query plugin.